COVID-19 is easily transmitted between people. For now, mass testing, rapid isolation is the best course of action. But ultimately, an effective vaccine holds the best promise for a return to normality. The goal of finding and distributing a vaccine to protect us from COVID-19 must be a global strategy that will ensure population immunity on a worldwide scale. Otherwise, none of us is protected. To do that, we need to address a series of key challenges that stretch from research and development to treatment and beyond. And we need to do it together to ensure that the most vulnerable are not left behind. Vaccines take an average of 10 to 15 years to develop and manufacture. This process has been expedited during COVID-19 by using previous research to get to a vaccine faster. This creates problems, though. Many of the novel techniques-based vaccines are yet to be proven in humans and could do more harm than good. And there are problems recruiting the right variety of clinical trial participants. For example, the elderly and people in developing countries who may suffer multiple health issues may affect the efficacy of the vaccine or respond differently. Production of a vaccine is also a challenge. Not only do we need to produce billions of doses of it, but we need the equipment and people to store, distribute, and administer it. On top of this, right now we face an alarming shortage in global vaccine manufacturing capacity, insufficient advanced market commitments, and a scarcity of components. Even storage is an issue. While many vaccines need to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees centigrade, nucleic acid vaccines, RNA and DNA, require a temperature of minus 20 degrees centigrade. Many countries lack enough suitable storage facilities, often due to poor electricity supply, to keep the vaccines at the correct temperatures. Inevitably, the chase to access a vaccine has created a bidding war that may not serve either the wealthier countries or the poorer ones. Our paper sets out what wealthier and poorer countries should do to give the best chance of a vaccine for all who need it. Some of the recommendations include the following. Back a portfolio of candidate vaccines rather than back just one. Efficiently manage tech transfers from research and development to multinational corporations and smaller manufacturers to avoid capacity capture. Agree that a reasonable percentage of doses, wherever they are manufactured, go to low and middle income countries' priority populations. Low and middle income countries should prepare their expanded programs on immunizations. Low and middle income countries should improve data management for adult vaccinations, which is an area that has historically been less developed. Once we find one or more effective vaccines, ensuring global population immunity is neither an impossible task, nor is it unaffordable. But countries and stakeholders must work together and better to make sure the world is protected. We need a radical, fast, and coordinated global approach in order to provide for all nations, and we need political leadership to create this framework and drive its adoption.